This last year, I decided to make some huge shifts in my life. I made the choice that mediocrity would no longer have a hold on me. Instead, my life would be consumed by hard work, self-discipline, and passion. I love that sound. Every day I wake up in bed next to my beautiful wife is a blessing. Knowing that today is a brand new day and it's full of opportunity and wonder, it always stirs up my passion for impacting the world in some kind of new way. Every day I like to kick off my morning with some positive music, something that will get me in the right frame of mind for the rest of the day. I'll go straight into brushing my teeth, getting rid of that morning breath. Then, of course, hit the shower to wake me up, using my steam spray to fight back any morning congestion. Besides washing my face and going through the necessary steps of my skincare routine, I always find the shower as a quiet place where I can start my day right with meditation and prayer. I never go a day without moisturizing my face, so I always make sure to use healthy products that are going to benefit my skin and help me out in the long run. Now, as most of you know, I'm part owner of the premium hair care brand called Shampoo, and today I'm actually testing out our newest hair product that we're currently working on, which will be launched a little later this year to go along with our other well-known products such as Ocean Clay, which, of course, I use to style my hair with just about every day. To save myself time, I usually like to figure out what I'm going to wear the night before, especially on big days like today. Because in a couple hours from now, I'll be launching a little something I've been working on called Individuals, which is a community brand that anyone can be a part of. Individuals is all about embracing the things that make you unique, your strengths, your weaknesses. See, most people think that you have to be perfect to impact the world. I say let people be inspired by your imperfections. Now, I'm a big fan of staying healthy and keeping my body performing at the top of its game. So every morning, I'll have my daily dose of vitamins, and I'll make a couple of these health drinks for my wife and I that are full of antioxidants, fiber, and other healthy ingredients. We'll have this along with an awesome breakfast that my wife always makes for us. I like to always start off my day by reading positive development books. I believe that having a high-quality personality is even more important than having a high-quality style. See, in school, we were never taught how to have vision or be an entrepreneur, how to brand our own name, or how to even be good husbands or family men. So reading, learning, and stretching ourselves every day is mandatory. Now, about 2 or 3 days a week, I like to go outside and just meditate. I follow Wim Hof's breathing method, and I absolutely love the way it makes me feel. If I'm in need of a boost, my wife and I like to hit up the coffee shop, especially this little place called the Creperie. It's this really good coffee joint located in St. George, Utah. Now, this is also a great spot where I like to do all of my work. Before launching Individuals, I still need to upload and publish this YouTube video that I've been working really hard on for the last few days. You know, every time I post a video, I get so excited to be able to chat with you guys in the comment section. All the love and support that I get from you all is truly amazing, and I feel so grateful that I get to be able to create content for a living. Now that my video's up, I'm going to be taking the next hour just to finish up some final touches on some artworks just in time for the launch of Individuals. You know, it's crazy, I've always wanted to create something that all you guys could be a part of, and Individuals is just that. So if you want to join for free, then click the link below and get a free gift from myself. Now, before I continue my work today, I'm going to take about a 2-hour break and hit up the gym to get a workout in. You know, working out is a huge priority in my life. It also gives me a chance to break away from my crazy world and put my focus elsewhere, and just let my mind go, kind of like meditation in a way. Now that my work is finished, it's about midday and I'm going to be heading home to get in a quick meal, shower off, and then I'll be heading to my home studio for a few hours before working on some more videos for YouTube. It's kind of funny, my brother and I grew up making music, and this is how I was actually introduced to the whole YouTube industry. Way before I produced videos, David and I used to make music and travel doing shows. Then one day we got in contact with a little YouTube channel called Slick Hair TV that wanted to use our music for their videos. So now things have come full circle and we're getting ready to release our first album in over 6 years. It's been nothing but hard work and major dedication getting back into the groove again and creating our new sound over these past few years. But now we're ready to impact the world in a whole new way. You know, when it comes down to it, being successful is all based on perspective and attitude. Being 25 and married, creating YouTube videos, being an owner of Shampoo and Individuals, and now music all in the works, my life gets pretty crazy. I'm constantly on my grind, non-stop. But everything I'm doing, I absolutely love it. I love it all. And I feel so blessed that God has entrusted me with so much. I mean, I can honestly say that I am truly grateful. You know, when you push yourself, and I mean truly push yourself, and when you stay grateful and full of faith no matter what circumstance that you're currently in, that's a beautiful thing. When you're constantly helping other people and constantly dreaming big dreams regardless of what small-minded people think, that to me is what true success is.